Do you want to see how I made some custom fabric sewing labels easily and you can do it too? Stick around and I'll show you how. I ordered a fat quarter from Spoonflower fabrics, and these are what my labels look like. I went to Canva. I used an 18 by 22 canvas size. I then did 2-inch by 2-inch blocks. I added my text and I got 69 labels total. Here I'm just ironing out the fold lines from shipping, and I'm going to add some interfacing, and I chose to go with this woven interfacing. If you have any questions about this, let me know, and I'm happy to do a more in-depth tutorial or answer whatever questions. You can see it's nice and structured. It'll hold up well. This is the fabric that I ordered. Now we're just going to cut it all up. I did some with straight edges and I did some with scalloped edges. I don't know which one I prefer. I'll use both. Didn't cut all the way through, darn it. I'll just keep going to show you how it ends up. So you just cut them all out. Then you've got your label. I did one image upside down and one right side up so that when you fold the label over, you see it the right side up on both sides. These are my labels. Happy sewing!